At Excel Laser Vision Institute, your testimonial and successful outcome inspire us to continue our mission of transforming lives through enhanced vision. Today, we would like to share a heartfelt testimonial from one of our happy LASIK eye surgery patients, James Kim. I tried to join the Marines twice, but was rejected due to my extremely poor vision. Thanks to Dr. Musa and Dr. Cohen and all their staff members, I was able to see for the first time without corrections since I was in kindergarten. 18 months after the surgery, I was commissioned as a second lieutenant of the U.S. Marine Corps. Once again, thank you for taking the time to share your experience. Your testimonial serves as a reminder of why we are passionate about what we do. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about our services, please reach out to us at 866-923-9235 or visit our website at www.exceli.com. Thank you for choosing Excel Laser Vision Institute, where your vision is our priority.